Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect QuickBooks and Expensify. In this walkthrough, we'll use QuickBooks to locate the Expensify integration and review what you need before connecting the two platforms. This process is straightforward and it begins directly inside your QuickBooks account. Start by going to QuickBooks and opening the home page. Once you're signed in and looking at your main dashboard, take a moment to make sure the page has fully loaded so all navigation options are visible. This will help you find the integration tools more easily. Next, move to the top right area of the screen and click on Integration. This section is where QuickBooks provides access to apps and connected tools that work alongside your account. If you're connecting software for expense tracking and accounting workflows, this is the area you'll want to use. After that, click on Explore Integrations. This will take you into the QuickBooks App Marketplace or Integration Center, where you can browse available apps that connect with your QuickBooks account. It's helpful to think of this section as a directory of approved tools and services. Once you're there, find the search field and enter Expensify. Typing the app name into the search bar will narrow the results and make it easier to find the exact integration you need. Be sure the spelling is correct so the right result appears. When Expensify shows up in the results, click on Expensify to open its integration page. This page usually provides more information about what the app does, how it connects with QuickBooks, and any requirements or limitations related to setup. If you want to understand the integration before moving forward, this is a good place to pause and review the details on screen. Finally, note that for this integration, you need a subscription. Before you can fully proceed with connecting QuickBooks and Expensify, make sure you have the appropriate subscription or plan required for the integration to work. If the option to continue seems limited or unavailable, this requirement is likely the reason. Verifying this in advance can save time and prevent confusion during setup. That's the process for locating the Expensify integration in QuickBooks and confirming the requirement needed before connecting it. Once you've completed these steps, you'll be in the right place to continue with the integration based on your account access and subscription status.